Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M23, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first we should go into the Muviz Edge application here, and then I'll just open it again, and here you can select one from these available tabs, for example this one or just this tab. Okay, this one. Now just tap here to apply. Here click to the music controls, so we can hide them after 10 seconds or just don't hide them. Also here we can enable or disable to show the option to show the incoming notifications from other applications. Also we can show date, turn on or turn off this option, and also we can show the battery status on AOD feature always while the device charging, or just to don't show the battery status. And here also we got into the settings section in always on display here to show our AOD feature always while the device charging, or for example only when we'll play the music. Here also we can change the screen timeout from 1 minute just to never. Also we can change and increase, for example, the brightness to 100%, and just to close on the AOD feature by double tap on the screen or by single tap, or also we can close our AOD with the fingerprint if you got set it up the fingerprint recognition. So that's it, that's how to customize AOD feature on our Samsung Galaxy M23. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.